Abhor. Now repeat after me. Abhor. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary, one word at a time. Meaning, to abhor means to feel an intense dislike or hatred for something, often with a sense of disgust. It's a strong term used to describe feelings that go beyond simple dislike, involving a deep repulsion or loathing. People often use abhor to describe things they find morally or personally offensive. Think of it like this. To abhor something is to want to avoid it completely because it really bothers you. In a sentence, she abhors dishonesty and values honesty above everything else. Here, abhors means she has a strong hatred for dishonesty. Let's try another example. Many people abhor violence and wish for peaceful solutions instead. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using abhor. Synonyms. Some related terms for abhor are detest, to strongly dislike or loathe something. Despise, to regard with contempt or deep repulsion. Antonyms. The opposite of abhor would be admire, to feel respect or appreciation for something. Love, a strong positive feeling or affection towards someone or something. Part of speech. Abhor is a verb referring to the act of feeling intense dislike or hatred. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.